A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling, a federal judge in San Francisco has extended temporary protected status, TPS, for approximately 60,000 individuals from Central America and Asia, including those from Honduras, Nicaragua, and Nepal. This decision comes as a response to the Trump administration's attempts to terminate these protections, which shield immigrants from deportation and allow them to work legally in the United States. TPS is a vital safety net for individuals from countries experiencing unsafe conditions, such as natural disasters or political instability. The ruling by U.S. District Judge Trina L. Thompson ensures that these protections will remain in place while legal proceedings continue, with the next hearing scheduled for November 18th. Judge Thompson's order reflects a critical examination of the administration's rationale for ending TPS, which she deemed lacking in an objective review of the current conditions in the affected countries. The judge pointed out that political violence in Honduras and the aftermath of recent hurricanes in Nicaragua were significant factors that warranted the continuation of TPS. If the protections were to expire, many immigrants would face severe consequences, including job loss, lack of health insurance, family separation, and the threat of deportation to countries where they have no ties. The economic impact of terminating TPS has been estimated at a staggering $1.4 billion loss. Judge Thompson's ruling has been met with approval from advocacy groups, who argue that the decision is a step towards justice for those affected by the administration's aggressive immigration policies. The National TPS Alliance has been vocal in their criticism of the Trump administration, claiming that the decision to end TPS was influenced by racial bias and political motivations. Honduras Foreign Minister Javier Bussoto welcomed the ruling, stating it recognized the rights of Hondurans seeking to live freely while the litigation unfolds. In Nicaragua, the situation remains dire, with many fleeing persecution as the government continues to suppress dissent and control the population. The Trump administration's broader immigration strategy has focused on removing protections for various immigrant groups, having already terminated TPS for hundreds of thousands of individuals from countries like Venezuela, Haiti, Ukraine, Afghanistan, and Cameroon. The Justice Department argues that the Secretary of Homeland Security has the authority to make these decisions, emphasizing that TPS is not intended to be a permanent solution. This ruling represents a pivotal moment in the ongoing legal battle surrounding immigration policy and the rights of vulnerable populations in the United States. As the case moves forward, the implications for TPS recipients and their families remain uncertain, but for now, they can breathe a sigh of relief knowing that their status is protected while the legal challenges continue. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.